Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn on reachability and use it on your iPhone. This allows you to access the top of the screen easily by moving the content down. Especially useful for one-handed use on large screen devices. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to Accessibility Settings. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap on the Touch menu. Enable the toggle Reachability. If this option is already turned on, then turn it off and turn it on again. You might be stuck in the settings or force restart is the helpful solution. Here I am using reachability on my iPhone 16 Pro model. Just swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen around the home indicator bar. Tap on the upper arrow icon to exit from the reachability screen. Repeat the same steps to use reachability and exit from the reachability. For example, I can easily access web items single-handedly on Safari while traveling or busy for some reasons. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for new free tech guide updates.